Hey folks, welcome back to the channel. Happy Catty Crypto. So what a great space we had yesterday. We had Defying talking about the new kind of feather. I'm sure it's a protocol in itself. I'm doing a lot of reading on it so I can help best you folks understand it. And there's also this idea of an alliance module, and it's a game changer in itself, and it's giving a lot of people excitement over at the Luna community. Now, Will Shen put out a tweet to Do Kwon, or just a tweet in general, to be quite honest, saying into Shen, and Do Kwon put handshakes back. And you know, we really want to see this intercommunication between both Lunk and Luna, because there was something said last night by Defy, and I'm going to get him on for our next podcast episode, and I'm going to get him to discuss this situation around repegging USTC to a penny, and then I'm going to get the guy that has done all the maths behind it on as well if we can. So hopefully we'll have that to look forward to. But the idea behind that was, it was pretty inspiring in itself, and you know, it's something to get excited about, isn't it? Now, it's currently 12:45 here in the UK, so by the time this video comes out, anything could have happened. But as it stands right now, you know, why is Luna Classic and the market moving upwards? And it's going back to, you know, the real core basics of what cryptocurrency is. And if you're someone who's new into crypto, you need to understand that Bitcoin is a market dominator. And because it dominates the market, it will drag other things with it. Now, it's been making a categoric move up for quite some time now, over the past week and a little bit now, and it is now punching higher, and it's looking pretty healthy. And it's weird because the Feds have raised interest rates, the UK Bank of England have raised interest rates in the UK, so it's not like we've had really good news to push this along. But nothing can ever dictate when the bull run's going to happen and what's going to dictate its run as it stands. So, you know, I put out a tweet this morning kind of saying to people, you know, it comes when you least expect it. And it really does. So what we're actually seeing is everything moving up. As you see, we've got Terra Luna here. We've got USTC here making a move upwards as well. Really good. Guys, you might get a good arbitrage opportunity come up. So do keep your eyes on the charts in times like this if you are looking to make more bang for your buck out of your rewards, like we've been going over the past few days. And you can see Luna Classics making a nice move upwards. And if we get and we'll start using this a little bit more. Okay, so if you type in MACD, you'll get the moving average convergence divergence. Now, as you can see, right down here is the MACD indicator. The blue line has got ahead of the orange line, meaning at some point there's going to be a correction, and the two lines are going to need to either catch up and cross. And there's all kinds of different technical ways you can judge these lines and how they intersect, how it went under and over. I'm not going to give that to you. I'm just going to say it's not too overextended, and neither is Bitcoin right now. So it could keep just moving upwards. We could be moving into a slight uptrend, something like that. Remember, the bull run never happens just in one big bull run. It actually happens over the course of a few months, and we keep moving up. You know, people sell out in stages, and you've got those people that are diehard there, wait until you hit those real higher highs. Speaking with Lunkdao last night, and hearing that when they first invested in Luna for the first time, it was like $3 a coin. That's insane. And they rode it all the way up to $116. That is, you know, insane. And who doesn't love a comeback story, right? So across the board, as it stands right now, as the week's been kind of going out, it's good. You know, we've had not the best of weeks here and inside our own kind of blockchain, but that doesn't judge what happens outside of the blockchain, and we can always get dragged up off of other coins' momentum. Now, we do know that recently Elon's purchased Twitter. We should have done a video on it really, but I'm not trying to chase fads here. I'm trying to stick to core content. But, you know, Doge has, in a sense, you know, brought a kind of new spirit. Elon buying Twitter has brought a new spirit, and CZ put out a tweet today saying about helping the little guys in crypto and stuff like that. And it's all stuff to get excited about. I'm really, really excited for it. So as it stands, if we go over to Terra Station, let's go to governance. you've got this one finishing soon, but I'm excited to see what Alex comes back with on his proposal, because I feel like he's going to change and alter things to try and make it workable for the community. So I feel like if that does happen, Vegas should try go into things with a bit more of an open mind, and hopefully Alex has come back with, you know, you kind of see what the issues that people had with it, don't you? You would take it away and you would reconstruct that proposal to better serve and suit the broader community, because I can't stress this enough that Lunar Classic is nothing without its community huddled. We had a space, it was a really nice space, there was a really good vibe, loads of people were asking questions, you know, people were talking, and it was going really well. And it was a bit of a shame that I had a meeting around 15 minutes after I had to end it, otherwise I would have kept it going. But next week on Friday it will run for a couple of hours at least, and we'll really get down and dirty into some like good stuff, and you can hear from the actual Lunar community, the people that actually got hurt, and you can hear it from them instead of listening to someone's ramblings about God knows what. If you want to get educated on these sorts of things, you know, the information's there, and both of our blockchains do already work in a symbiotic relationship, but people just don't know that yet. These funds coming are going to be a game changer. That's something I also can't stress enough. Now, we've been going over validators, you know, spreading your delegations and stuff like that. It's so vital that you guys do that. We're getting more and more coins bonded. The Binance Hot Wallet is doing a little bit of weird buying, which probably just means users are picking up bags of Lunar Classic as the price is moving upwards, in effect chasing green. And we spoke about chasing green yesterday and stuff like that. So we also spoke about the Lunk Blaze portal and kind of evolving the portal to the next level. We are working on something, can't tell you a great deal about it, but it will help the burn, and it will just be something extra you get on top of it. What it will be at this point, it's undecided, but we're working on a module to integrate into the system. Our NFT project is going through what I see as the near final stages. I think it's definitely going to be within the next couple of weeks, but 100% before November's out, our NFTs will be up for sale. Now, we've explained to you we're going to be providing staking, but on the white paper release, you'll get to go through it with us in a stream, and I'll do a video on it and stuff. The staking's not going to go active until the whole collection's been minted out, and that's the idea behind it. A team effort to get to the staking to then be rewarded by it. So hopefully with the staking derivative, the module we're working out, it should be very well balanced, and it will be funded by its initial amount from all the minting cost and everything like that. And then we will continue to fund that treasury from our node. We'll send a percentage there, and we'll ensure that it will always be fair. You'll get a very good staking amount. We're not talking, you know, like as low as Lunar Punks. We're talking a little bit more than that. We're still figuring out the numbers. I can't give you a dead set amount, but once we do know, you will know. But like I said, the staking will go active on that NFT project the second those NFTs mint out at 100, and then we go from there. And then what we hope to do is incentivize that these NFTs then become not just a piece of art, but it's valued in its utility use case, that you selling it to someone else, it will pay for itself in turn, as long as you hold it for long enough, so to speak. And we really do open up the doors to all these different kind of things, and I'm really excited. I know a lot of people aren't, but I myself am excited. We kind of let go of that aspect of actually how great this technology is. Think about all of the utilities we've got going on right now. Think about all of the CEXs that are actually burning. Like, we just don't have this kind of commitment or engagement anywhere else. And I honestly believe out of all of the coins that are out there, Lunk, Luna, UST, which is USTC now, Atom, Juno, and coins like this, they are all part of the same kind of ecosystem. And I honestly believe that it's going to prosper, especially with, like I've been saying, the Alliance whole module system coming out. That is going to be and it brings opportunities to the blockchain for people to learn make money and walk away happy instead of being these unhappy campers that have had a bad experience in crypto. And this is kind of what we're trying to change here, is not just telling you the news, but also, you know, building projects, trying to inspire you and doing all of these different kind of things. So as you can see on the screen, we really are past that 9 billion stage. Huge thanks for staking with us. Guys, that's all I've got for you for now. Just stay safe out there, okay? Tap a little subscription on the way out if you haven't subscribed yet. Tap a like, it really does help the algorithm and really does help people see these videos. And we'll catch you in the next one. I'm not a financial advisor, do remember that. And what is a video without the grand? Stay safe, folks. Grandma's orders. Damn, Grandma.